Today I want to talk about something that's been on my mind lately. Starting a travel sketchbook. And honestly, just saying that out loud makes me a bit nervous. I've had so many sketchbooks over the years, most of them sitting half finished on my shelves. But I've never had a dedicated travel sketchbook because I've only sketched outside my house maybe twice. I'm an extremely reserved person. The thought of sketching in public with people around in unfamiliar spaces makes me cringe. But that's exactly why I want to change this, or at least try to. Sketchbooks are like journals. They tell stories from specific moments in our life. They capture how you were feeling, what caught your eye, what mattered to you then, just with pictures instead of words. I actually started an art journal recently to draw my day. Well, I drew once, but hey, it's a start, right? And speaking of preserving memories, today I want to do something special. I'm going to ink the very first page of this travel sketchbook with a moment from one of my solo trips. It's a memory that means a lot to me. And I think that's exactly what this sketchbook is about. Capturing those precious moments that we want to hold on to forever. I believe travel sketching isn't just about creating pretty pictures. It's about slowing down, really seeing the world around you. When you sketch a place, you notice things you might have missed just taking a photo. The way light falls on a building, the pattern of waves on the shore, the little details that make a moment special. These sketches become more than just drawings. They become time capsules. Years from now, when I open this sketchbook, I won't just see drawings. I'll remember the sounds, the smells, how I felt sitting there in the moment. That's what makes travel sketching so magical. It's like creating a personal time machine. The first sketch might not be perfect, but it's meaningful. It's my way of saying, this moment mattered. I want to remember this. And now, I'm taking this sketchbook to the beach, and I am determined to add more memories to these pages. But here's the thing, I'm not setting any huge goals that'll overwhelm me. Instead, I'm keeping it super simple. Sketch at least one spot, maybe spend an hour or two there, that's it. I strongly believe that when you're trying to build a new habit, starting small is the key. 10 minutes a day feels way more doable than committing to an hour every day right from the start. Rocks are essentially made up of flat or slightly curved surfaces that meet at edges. I start by identifying these basic geometric planes. This simplification helps to understand the rock's basic structure. The next thing to focus on is the light source. This determines where shadows will fall. Planes facing directly towards the light will be lightest, and the ones facing away or at sharp angles will be darker. And while we are talking about challenges, here is another thing I'm trying to work on. Inking directly on paper without a pencil sketch first. You know those artists who just start with ink and make it look so effortless? I'm fascinated by that. Even though I rarely use an eraser, just having that safety net of pencil feels comfortable. Making marks with ink feels so permanent, so decisive. but that's another comfort zone I want to push myself out of. YouTube channel feels like a kind of journal, a video journal. When I watch my old videos, I can see what I was trying to create a year ago versus just a month ago. I can see how far I have come, how much has changed. Maybe if I'm stuck with another art block again, I would come back here, watch my old videos, and I hope to feel a little better about myself, if not inspired by them. So that's my plan. Small steps, one sketch at a time, pushing just a little bit outside my comfort zone. I'll take you along on this journey and we'll see where it leads. Have you ever wanted to start a travel sketchbook? Or maybe you keep some kind of a creative journal? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where I'll share how my first beach sketching session went.